All right, so let's talk about digits. So first thing, let's have a method that prints the last digit. So if you think about what that method header is, public, static, printing is usually a void, call it print last digit, and we'll have to enter a number. And we could say int last digit equals number mod 10. And then we could do system.out.println last digit. Now, of course, we could put this all in one line if we wanted to. And so we could have something like this, and then put this in there. But when I look at line 14, it doesn't really tell me as much as those two lines together. And so I'm going to recommend that you do things like this so that when you read it, you can see I found the last digit and then I printed it. And so to call that, I'm going to say print last digit, and I'm going to send it a number and run it and make sure that it works. So 3 is that last one. Now another way to do this is I could do int x equals this value, and then I could send it x. So a couple different ways to do it, still gives us 3, but different ways of setting things up. Now let's print, or let's count. So we're going to return number of odd digits. So we're going to return like an integer. So like this one would be 1, 2, 3. So we return 3. So let's go public, static, int, count odds. We'll send it a number. And now whenever I have an int return, I always set it up this way. I say int count equals 0. And then I go down on the bottom and I return count. Especially when I'm typing, or especially when I'm handwriting these, I want to make sure that at least I get the return value correct. It starts at 0 and returns at count. So now I need to go through this number one at a time and check to see if things are odd. And I need to keep track of the number of